Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a new 1920x 1080 project at 30 FPS so motion and slow-mo behave predictably. Import your Free Fire footage, PNG HUD overlays, and soundtrack into organized folders. This keeps layers manageable as the edit grows. Once done, drag the main clip onto the timeline and trim to the kill or highlight you want. Make sure to set in and out points tightly. This reduces render time and lets you focus on creative grading and timing instead of hunting through long clips. Now you build the edit. Cut clips to the music and add speed ramps of 0. 5 ones around peaks to emphasize hits. Apply motion blur and displacement to cell movement, then add a glow or color layer for highlights. Stacking blur before glow keeps edges soft without washing detail. Use Alight motion's anchor point and keyframe easing to create camera-like zooms and brief shakes. This gives cinematic push and pull. Once smooth, group layers so you can trim timing across the whole sequence quickly. To finish, color grade for contrast and punch, sync final audio hits, then export as H. 264 1080p with 812 Mbps for platform-friendly quality. Save incremental project versions before export. That protects against corruption. If playback stutters, render problem sections or reduce preview quality to speed editing. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache and restart Alight Motion, or export a short test clip to identify bitrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.